Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the Super Trend Histogram Indicator for MT4. This tool converts Super Trend style trend information into a color-coded histogram, helping you see bullish and bearish phases early in a separate window. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see what it looks in real time. The Super Trend Histogram Indicator plots a series of bars in a sub-window beneath the main chart with bar color and position indicating the current trend bias. When the histogram bars are shown in a bullish color above a baseline, it visually signals an uptrend or bullish phases according to the Super Trend calculation. And when the color bars, switch from green to red, it shows a bearish momentum or bearish trend. As trend changes, the histogram flips color and side, creating a clean at a glance representation of trend direction and phase strength without cluttering the main chart. Now we move over to its settings. We have the super trend period, which determines how far the super trend calculation is placed from price, and the multiplier. These values change how quickly the histogram flips from bullish to bearish and how sensitive it is to smaller swings. We also have the visual options that let you set color for bullish and bearish bars and adjust its thickness or style so the trend phases stand out clearly. Now, who is it for? The Super Trend Histogram Indicator is ideal for traders who like super trend style trend detection but prefer a separate compact visual readout to confirm direction and filter trends or trades. It's a lagging trend following tool and can perform poorly in choppy range bound markets where frequent flips occur. It does not execute trades or guarantee that trends will continue, and for more robust use, it should be combined with price action, supports and resistance, and other confirmation tools. The download link can be found in the description below. You can also read more about the Super Trend Histogram Indicator MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.